In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subscribe to ChatGPT Plus. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what you'll see on screen, and how to finish your subscription with confidence. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right in. First, you want to open ChatGPT. Once you're logged in, your next step is to look toward the bottom left corner of the window. There, you'll find your profile icon. This can be represented by your initials or perhaps a small avatar image, depending on what you've chosen for your profile. Go ahead and click that profile icon. When you do, a quick menu will pop up, and from this menu you'll want to select Settings. This is where all your account preferences are organized. Once you're in Settings, look for the Account section. This is a crucial step because it is here that you'll find the Upgrade button. It's designed to be easy to spot, so take a brief moment to locate it. Got it? Great! Now click that Upgrade button. After clicking, a screen will appear showing you the available subscription plans. You should see options like Plus, Go, and Pro. For the purpose of this walkthrough, we're focusing on the Plus plan, so go ahead and choose Plus to continue. Next, you'll be prompted to set up your payment method. Now this step is significant. You want to take your time here. On this screen, you'll need to enter your billing details to complete your subscription. Make sure to double-check everything. Ensure your card number, expiration date, and billing address are accurate and match what your bank has on file. Even small typos can lead to your payment failing, and we don't want that, do we? So take a moment to review it carefully. Now, if there's a separate field asking for your name and address, keep those consistent with your payment information. Always remember to keep your sensitive information private. Only enter your details into the secure checkout form that you see within the app. Once everything looks correct, you'll want to proceed to fill out your payment details and then click Subscribe. The system will process your payment, and within a moment, you should see a confirmation that your subscription is active. Exciting, right? After this, your account will reflect the Plus plan, and you can start enjoying all the benefits that come with it. Now, if something doesn't appear as expected, don't panic. Keep in mind the key path you followed: profile icon, then settings, then account, and finally, upgrade. The upgrade flow is always initiated from the account area. And remember, this is where you select the Plus plan before entering your payment details. Remembering this sequence will make it easy for you to revisit these steps in the future, especially if you need to check your plan status. So that's really all there is to it. You've successfully navigated to the bottom left of the interface, clicked your profile icon, opened settings, chose account, clicked the upgrade button, selected the Plus plan from the list of options, entered your payment information, and finally hit subscribe. Thanks for following along. I hope you enjoy your ChatGPT Plus experience. If you run into any questions or need further assistance,